Welcome to French in real life. Today, you'll learn to order a coffee at a Paris café from the first
Bonjour.
to the goodbye, real French you can use right away. By the end of this short lesson, you'll be able to do 4 things in French. Greet the barista, order your coffee, ask the price and pay and leave politely. Let's listen to the whole scene first. Here's the full conversation at natural speed. Just listen.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Sur place ou à emporter? Sur place, merci. Très bien. Ce sera tout? Oui, c'est tout. C'est combien? 2,50 €. Voilà. Merci, au revoir. Merci, bonne journée.
Before anything, the golden rule of French politeness. Always say,
Bonjour.
first before you ask for anything, walk in, say,
Bonjour.
then order, skip it, and you may seem rude without meaning to. Now let's break down the phrases you'll actually reuse slowly, so you can repeat after me.
Un café, s'il vous plaît.
A coffee, please.
Sur place ou à emporter?
For here or to go.
C'est combien?
How much is it?
Voilà.
Here you go.
Au revoir, bonne journée.
Goodbye, have a good day.
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
The bill, please.
Je voudrais un thé.
I would like a tea. A few café words worth knowing.
Un café.
A coffee.
Un thé.
A tea.
Une eau.
A water.
L'addition.
The bill and
La terrasse.
the outside seating everyone loves in Paris. 2 sounds to get right.
S'il vous plaît.
Say s'il vous plaît.
Au revoir.
Say au revoir. Let's practice saying the lines. Repeat after me out loud.
Bonjour. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Sur place, merci. C'est combien? Merci, au revoir.
Now the real test. I'll give you a situation, say the French out loud, then I'll give you the answer. The barista says,
Bonjour.
you want a coffee, say.
Bonjour. Un café, s'il vous plaît.
They ask,
Sur place ou à emporter?
you're staying, say.
Sur place, merci.
You want to pay, ask the price, say.
C'est combien?
You would rather take it away, say.
À emporter, s'il vous plaît.
You are leaving, say goodbye politely.
Merci, au revoir.
Let's recap the 5 key phrases. Screenshot this one.
Un café, s'il vous plaît.
Yep.
Sur place ou à emporter.
Yep.
C'est combien?
Yep.
Voilà.
And
Au revoir, bonne journée.
here's your challenge. This week, walk into a cafe and order a coffee in French for real. It will feel scary for about 5 seconds and amazing right after. You can now order a coffee in French from
Bonjour.
to.
Au revoir.
Subscribe for a new real-life dialogue every week.
À bientôt.